Hi, welcome to My Urban Redneck. All right, just want to do a little review on some lights I got for the workshop. They work pretty good, I think. Nice and bright. And here we'll take a look at them. Let's see. Here it is over here. I'm also working in the garage or the workshop. This is what they are. Deformable LED garage light. They're actually pretty good, I think. Nice and bright. So I'm under a fluorescent light right now. This one that's going to be changed over to LED. Have nice bright lights. And I still have a regular light bulb, which I've been using for a while in the workshop. And as you can see, it's looks yellow to me. But then back here, look how bright that thing is. Yes, I have a lot of stuff in my garage here, but this is pretty bright. I like it, and that fluorescent light is definitely going to be changed over to LED lights. Not like that, but an LED fluorescent, quote unquote. But all in all, I like it. All right, hey, thanks for watching My Urban Redneck. All right, hey, here in my wood shop. Listening to some music, doing some woodworking, and you know, it's a nice December evening up here in Pennsylvania. So come out here, looks pretty nice. And here we go. What a view. Nice view here. Inspires me a lot. All right, God bless everybody. Catch you back on My Urban Redneck.